This is 2005 Indian National Mathematics Olympiad problem number 1, and here is a view of this geometry problem. Let M be the midpoint of side BC of triangle ABC. M is the midpoint. Let the median AM intersect the incircle of ABC at K and L, K being nearer to A than L. And if AK equals to KL equals to LM, these three lengths are equal, AK equals to KL equals to LM. AM is median, M is the midpoint, and these three lengths AK, KL, LM are equal. And we have to prove that the sides of triangle ABC are in the ratio 5 is to 10 is to 13 in some order. Okay, we have already drawn the figure. Okay, let us assume that AK equals to KL equals to LM. Each side length is X. And also suppose the incircle touches the side BC at point D and AB at point P. Using power of a point, since AP is tangent and AKL is secant, therefore we can write AP square equals to AK into AL. AK is X and AL is 2X. This will implies X into 2X is equals to AP square. But AP square is what? AP means length of tangent to the incircle through the vertex A. And this length is what? S minus A. Therefore we get X into 2X equals to S minus A square. Again, using the same concept, MD is tangent and MLK is secant. We can write MD square equals to ML into MK. But we can find MD here. MD equals to MB. MD equals to MB minus BD. Okay, M is the midpoint, therefore MB is what? MB equals to A by 2 minus BD. BD is actually the length of tangent to the incircle through the vertex B. Therefore the length BD is what? S minus B. We can write A minus 2S minus 2B minus plus upon 2. That is A minus A plus B plus C plus 2B by 2. This implies MD equals to B minus C by 2. Using this value here, B minus C whole square by 4 equals to ML is X and MK is 2X. X into 2X. This is equation number 2. Okay, from 1 and 2 we can write S minus A square equal to B minus C whole square by 4, and after taking square root we can write 2S minus 2A equals to B minus C. 2S equals to A plus B plus C minus 2A equal to B minus C. B cancel out. Therefore what we get? C minus A equals to minus C. This implies A equals to 2C. A equals to 2C. Also, the formula for length of median through the vertex A is AM equals to 1 by 2 root under 2B square plus 2c square minus a square. And am is what? AK, KL, LM all are x, therefore am is 3x. 6x equals to root of 2b square plus 2c square minus a square. Okay, move to the next page. After taking a square, we can write 36x square equals to 2b square plus 2c square minus a square. And the value of x square from equation 2 is b minus c whole square by 8. Use this value here. We can write 36 into b minus c whole square by 8 equal to 2b square plus 2c square minus a square. This will imply 9b square plus 9c square minus 18bc equals to 4b square plus 4c square minus 2a square. This will imply 5b square minus 18bc plus 5c square equal to minus 2a square. And a is what? A is 2c. Therefore, this term becomes what? 2c square, 4c square minus 8c square. Finally, we can write 5b square minus 18bc plus 13c square equals to 0. This will imply 5b square minus 5bc minus 13bc plus 13c square equals to 0. Okay, this will implies 5b b minus c minus 13c b minus c equals to 0. This will implies 5b minus 13c times b minus c equals to 0. But clearly b minus c cannot be equals to 0, because if b minus c equals to 0, if b minus c equals to 0, then from here if b equals to c, then x is what? X equals to 0. X equals to 0 means ak, kl, lm all are 0. Not possible. Not possible. Therefore, the only possibility is 5b is equals to 13c. This is equation number B. Therefore, we have to connect equation A and B. From equation A, we can write c equals to a by 2. And from equation B, we can write c equals to 5b upon 13. Therefore, connecting these two relations, we can write a equals to c by 2 equals to 5b by 13. Okay, dividing by 5, we can write c upon 5 equals to a upon 10 equals to b upon 13. Therefore, sides are in the ratio 5 is to 10 is to 13. Hence, we are done. Okay, move to the next problem. This is 2006 Indian National Mathematics Olympiad problem number 5, and here is a view of this geometry problem. In a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, AB equals to A, BC equals to B, CD equals to C, angle ABC 120, angle ABD equal to 30, and we have to prove two results. Okay, let us draw a figure. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. Okay, the length of AB is A, length of BC is B, and length of CD is C. Length of CD is C. Okay, angle ABC is 120 degree. This angle is 120, and angle ABD is 30 degree. This angle is 30. Okay, it means this remaining angle is what? 90. Angle DBC is equals to 120 minus 30 equals to 90. And if angle DBC is 90, this implies CD is a diameter of circle. Suppose O be the center, then OD equal to OC is equals to C by 2, radius of circle. Okay, connect O to A, connect O to A. Okay, then OA is also the radii and is equals to C by 2. Okay, also angle ABD, angle ABD equal to angle ACD equal to 30 degree, angle in the same segment. And OA equal to OC, this will imply angle OAC is also 30 degree. And if these two angles are 30, then exterior angle AOD is what? 60. Angle AOD is 60. Also, in triangle AOD, OA equals to OD. Angle AOD is 60 and OA equals to OD. These two results taken together implies triangle AOD is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. This implies AD is what? AD is also C by 2. Okay. In first part, we have to prove that C is greater than equal to A plus B. It means we have to develop a relation involving A, B and C. Now using sine rule, in triangle ABD. First, suppose this angle BDC is theta, then the remaining angle, this angle is what? 60 minus theta. And using sine rule in triangle ABD, we can write A upon sine 60 minus theta equals to AD upon sine 30. This implies A equals to AD is what? AD is C by 2 sine 60 minus theta upon sine 30 means 2. This implies A equals to C times sine 60 minus theta. Also, in triangle BDC, BDC is a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is CD. Therefore, in triangle BDC, we can write B equal to C sine theta. B equal to C sine theta. Okay. Therefore, what is the sum A plus B? A plus B equals to C taken out common, sine of 60 minus theta plus sine theta. And the formula of sine C plus sine D is what? 2 sine C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Sine 30 and 2 cancel out. Therefore, A equals to what? C times cos of 30 minus theta. And we know that cos of any angle is less or equals to 1. It means this whole picture can, sorry, here is A plus B. This whole picture cannot go beyond C. Finally, we have proved that C is greater than equal to A plus B. Okay. Now, in the second part, we have to show that root of C plus A minus root of C plus B is equals to root of C minus A minus B. It is equivalent to prove that taking square on both sides, we can write C plus A plus C plus B minus 2 times root of C plus A into C plus B equals to C minus A minus B. Implies and is implied by 2A plus 2B plus C equals to 2 times root of C plus A into C plus B, again squaring. What we get? 4A square plus 4B square plus C square plus 8AB plus 4BC plus 4AC 4 times C square plus BC plus AC plus AB. Okay, 4BC cancel out, 4AC cancel out, and 4AB cancel, the remaining amount is 4AB. Okay, here it is equivalent to proof 4A square plus 4B square plus 4AB is equals to 3C square. Implies and is implied by A square plus B square plus AB is equals to 3 by 4 C square. This is our next target. We have to show A square plus B square plus AB is equals to 3 by 4 C square. Okay. Now using cosine rule, in triangle ABC, AC square equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos 120 degree. This is equal to A square plus B square plus AB. Again, in triangle ADC, using Pythagoras theorem, we can write c square equals to c by 2 whole square. DCC AD is c by 2 plus AC square. This implies AC square is what? 3c square by 4. Use this result in C. Therefore, C implies A square plus B square plus AB is equals to 3 by 4 C square. Hence, we are done. Okay.